Hey there friends, it is time to take the Ruko F11 Gimbal for a quick flight over beautiful Lake Avalon in Hillman, Michigan. A beautiful lake even on a cloudy day. Today is Labor Day weekend and it is quiet at the moment, but that will not last for long. As you can see, the drone is flying absolutely awesome. I am just taking a quick flight and then trying to land it back on this postage stamp of a deck. I have absolutely loved my F11 gimbal. It flies awesome and the features work just as you'd expect. Super cool to be able to just pop it up, take it out over an awesome lake like this, and just check out the amazing beauty that is out there for us to see. Here I was just fiddling around with manual flying. If I'd have had half a brain, I would have just hit return to home, but what is the fun in that? And of course, here comes man's best friend. This is my little yellow lab, Bailey. She is creeping up on 3 years old, and today was a day she thought barking at the drone was the coolest thing ever. Not sure what the absolute best protocol is for trying to land a drone with your dog barking at it, but thankfully Mom called and the dog went and did what it was supposed to. Friends, absolutely beautiful flight, and once again, if you ever get a chance to buy a Ruko drone, I highly recommend it.